Administrators of organization accounts can make purchases for their organizations by logging in at texasbarpractice.com. Go to your account page. Visit our bookstore. When you have selected the publication you want to buy, make sure to select additional licenses for each attorney who will want to use the publication. Add the items to your cart. Go to your cart. At the drop-down menu, make sure to select your organization, then click Next. This step will ensure that the downloads or subscriptions will be added to your organization account and can be allocated to your account users. You will see a summary of your order. Click Proceed to Checkout to complete your order. When your order is complete, you will see the new publication and licenses ready to be allocated on your account page. For more help, email us at salesdesk@texasbar.com or give us a call at 512-427-1411. We'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.